Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys have a Hyundai Santa Fe, you have increased oil consumption, we will explain the number one thing that can cause that. Most of you guys never replace that item, and it's a serviceable item that needs to be replaced at certain mileage. So we will explain what it is. Now we can see the engine is out of the vehicle, but even if you have the engine inside, the procedure is the same, and we will explain what it is. We have it out because we'll be making so many videos that will teach you how to fix anything on it. So let's explain what is that thing that can cause increased oil consumption on Hyundai Santa Fe. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this is guys, okay, that's what we have specifically, okay, right here. That's the engine guys. And let's explain what can lead to that increased oil consumption that most people never think about that. So let's go ahead, remove the upper engine cover. You just remove it. It has 4 bushings that attach right here to the valve cover. Now many things can cause, okay guys, many things can cause actually engine to be using oil. It could be mechanical problems such as a broken piston ring. It could be something like a worn cylinder wall. It could be a bad piston. It could be a high mileage engine that's worn to the point that it uses oil. Or it could be guys something super simple that most people never replace. And I don't blame you. I didn't know about that until I was seriously involved into vehicles. It's an item that's very inexpensive, but most people never think about that. So if you look at your engine guys on your Hyundai Santa Fe, on the left side of the valve cover you have that device that has a hose that connects to the intake manifold, and if you remove that hose, okay, that's the device, we have it pre-loosened, okay, it's that right here guys, and you start to wonder what is that. This is guys known as a PCV valve, okay, positive crankcase ventilation valve. The purpose of that valve guys, okay, it's super important, and you wonder why. Due to the fact guys that this valve, what it does actually, your engine when it runs guys, okay, the pistons go up and down. That creates internal pressure. That internal pressure needs to exit out of the engine. If it doesn't, what will happen guys, okay, you'll develop leak from every gasket you can think of. You will guys pretty much kill your engine. You can even blow head gasket pretty easily if you don't have that device. So the purpose of that valve is to separate the oil, keep it back, okay, in the engine, and it's going to put guys, okay, it's going to put the clean air in the intake manifold, and it can run to the intake manifold. From there to the cylinders it burns. But if that valve is malfunctioning, it may start putting fumes and oil vapors guys inside the intake manifold. From there goes to the cylinders, and from there guys you start burning oil. Depending how bad it is, we've seen especially on BMWs, they're more complicated, to where guys you think you need a new engine. It will be smoking like a bus guys. It's crazy, like black on the back, sometimes it's gray, whitish smoke, and you think okay, it's done. But it's not guys. All you have to do in some cases replace that valve. Not always of course, but if you're guys having increased oil consumption, I'll recommend, okay, to replace that valve, which is very inexpensive, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Another thing, many of you guys constantly ask me what diagnostics we use to fix our cars. This is it. We decided to share with you. It works on almost any car you can think of. It's amazing too. Hyundai is right here. You can access read codes, delete codes for almost every car you can think of, which is amazing guys. Okay, and if you want to find out, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.